Alright, making this video because this problem with my truck keeps throwing me a curveball here. I bought this thing because they were easy to work with, but I can't figure this problem out. It's about 50 degrees outside right now, and I find when it's cold I have a hard time starting this thing. It's 350 with the throttle body on it, and this is exactly what it does when it's cold. And that's it. Now I'm going to put a heater under the hood and I'm going to wait about 15 minutes and this thing's going to crank up. I'll add the next video.